Hi, it's Ashley again. Welcome back to the Merck Co+op. Today we'll be making a spring pasta with sausage, a quick and easy dinner filled with seasonal local vegetables and some local pork. All right, are we shopping? Let's go shop. Let's go shop. Okay, let's grab some produce. Grab some spinach, Juniper Hill Farms, and that's actually here in Lawrence. This is asparagus from Voigt's Farm, Wellsville, Kansas. Why it's important to get local, you get the most benefits, you get the most nutrients, all the different antioxidants, the pigments in the plant. Let's grab some spices, garlic, oregano, thyme. They literally have endless cheese options. Okay. Any pasta is gonna work for this. The one that we'll be using is a brown rice, fusilli. I bought a couple crowns of broccoli. We just need about 3 cups worth. Another great thing about eating locally as well as seasonally, since the farmers and distributors don't have to pay for getting the food here and harvesting, it's so much cheaper. And it helps the environment. When you buy local, you're not having to contribute to worldwide food transportation and carbon emissions. Let's get this show on the road. And we'll smash this garlic clove again. I'm just gonna cook this garlic until it becomes more fragrant. So while that is cooking, I'm gonna take this sausage out. I'm going to just cut the casing and just take that casing off. When using hearty, real fibrous vegetables, what I like to do is steam them, so that'll cut down the time a little bit. So I'm gonna add probably just half of this package of pasta. So I'm gonna cook the pork right in the same pan. I'm going to just move them aside because I'm lazy and I don't want to take out the vegetables. That smells amazing. I'm going to show you how to get a little bit of zest off of a lemon without having an actual zester, and just make them little tiny chunks. Just throw that right in. And we're gonna use the lemon juice. Just going to squeeze it in. We're also gonna add a little cream. I'm gonna pour ½ cup. We're gonna get the spices that we grabbed. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, ½ teaspoon of oregano. This pasta looks good. Carefully drain that pasta. Wow. I'm also gonna add about 1 cup of cheese. Make it as cheesy as you want. I take my spatula and drag it across the bottom. You can see the bottom of the pan. You can tell it's really thickening up. And turn off that heat. I don't want to completely cook up the spinach, so that's why I'm adding it at the very end. I'm just gonna throw in maybe 2 handfuls. It's looking good. Last but not least, pasta. You can put a couple of slices of lemon on top, make it fancy. I did not do that. And there you have it. You got your spring vegetable pasta, all the local ingredients you can ask for. Did I wave to the right person? Do you want me to wave to that one?